This is a review of the Milwaukee M18 batteries. That is a 3.0 that we are going to be doing a review on. In this review, we're going to show you guys what you get, and from there, we are also going to test these batteries out. So without going any further, let's go in more depth about these batteries and show you guys what these batteries could do. Okay, so here are the Milwaukee M18 batteries, and they are red lithium high output batteries. That's the 3.0 version. Now, if you're wondering what am I going to, be using this on, well, I have a cordless blower that requires a Milwaukee M18 battery, and that one does not, you cannot use any other battery besides this one, which I'm going to be showing you guys how easy it is to put it on and how easy it is to turn it on. But what I love about this product is that it comes with both as a pair. So if these batteries go low, you have the other one, which is right over here. They're both the same thing. You can see here. And also it's very easy to use. You can see here. When it comes time to charge it up, it tells the indicator as well too for the battery percentage, and if it's all lit up, like for example if it's green, then that means it's ready to use. If it's red, it needs to be charging. But this is the indicator right over here. It tells you the battery life on how much it needs to be charged, and right over here is the slot that you can see here to put it inside and take it out, and use these tabs to, you can see as I'm holding it, that's to release it, to take it off and on. But now what we're going to do now is that I'm going to show you guys a demonstration on these batteries into my blower, which I have, that I'm going to mount it up. Okay, so I have my cordless leaf blower mounted to the Milwaukee M18 battery. Like I told you guys before, this is the only thing that works for this cordless leaf blower. You cannot use any other battery. But to show you guys a demonstration, you just hit this button right over here and it works just like what it is intended. So you can see that it works, and so far what I love about this product is that it comes with two as a pair. So if one goes down, you have the other one that you could charge it up with the batteries and wait for this other one, then use this one while this one is charging. But other than that, I would definitely recommend the Milwaukee M18 batteries because of the fact that this comes with two as a pair. And not just that, if you have a power drill at home or any other drills that are Milwaukee, you could use it for that as well too. So any Milwaukee tools, you definitely need this. It is a necessity and something very important to have because, as you guys know, Milwaukee, any power drill or tool or anything like that, it only requires a M18 battery. And this one right over here, what I also love about it is that it charges up very fast as well too, and it comes with two as a pair. So yeah, if you are looking for a Milwaukee M18 battery for your Milwaukee tools, or if you have a cordless leaf blower like I do that requires that, then this right over here is probably one of the best products you could get, and I would definitely recommend this since it comes as in a pair. And yeah, I am so far happy with it and would definitely recommend these.